Ever wondered how your pet feels being left at home alone? Well, the answer may lie with how Keanu Reeves dodges bullets in The Matrix. You see, animals operate at a different speed to us humans, and scientists like Dr. Andrew Jackson have worked out how to measure this difference by flashing a light bulb and gradually speeding it up until it becomes one solid beam of light. For a human, this happens at up to 60 flashes per second, while for smaller animals, like flies, it's more like 250. That means that compared to our understanding of time, flies see the world in slow motion. And the smaller an animal, the more information there is to play back, which doesn't bode well for your pets being left at home all alone. And we're not a good consolation prize either, as Doggo's perception of time means that TV appears less like one smooth video and more like endlessly flashing images. But when you do spend time with your canine friend, through their eyes, you'll be processed in a detail humans can't perceive. Unless, of course, you're Keanu Reeves.